And that's how it is in the room. Oh, I hope I caught it. He made the sound again. Like walking. Hold on, let me just wait. Oh, there it is. There it is, there it is. So, we finally made it to our location. Everything's pretty cool. It's snowing right now. I gotta hurry up and go inside really quick. And those shots, we're gonna go from there. Get a quick little montage and go from there. We're gonna start off with adventure. All this huge, endless adventure. But first, let's get that shot.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
We're in the middle of freaking snow. We had to put our chains on. These things are super complicated, but you guys don't know, make sure these are all even. You legit just pull this thing through. This is the male and this is the female. You put it through. When you do it, clip it. Whatever you have extra, clip it on. I did the same thing on the side. One not even. So say I have 4 on this side and 3 on that side. That's fine, but don't do no more than 2. Okay, fuck it. We're not going anywhere. I'm going in the snow. I'm gonna go in the snow, babe. Are you driving? I'll go. I'll go get you. The keys fell outside. Shit. Man, open the door. It's so fucking wet out there. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was such a bad idea. There's snow everywhere. I've never been in the snow. Look at it. Ah! This is fucking awesome. Why isn't it concentrating? There you go, look at that. 4K. Hold on. Ah! Ah! Oh no! Ah! I'm gonna get you. I have a big one here. Can you go back? She's running. What? What? I'll go eat you with this. Oh, look at some. Guys, I'm really fucking cold. I'm super sick, but this is worth it. We just had to clean up the ones we couldn't see anything. Shit, what are we doing? It's not wide enough. There you go.
Choppy.
Oh, look, you see the breeze of the snow. Sheesh, oh my, I fell in the snow. This is all black and that's all white.
Wait, will we push me on the floor?
Huh? Oof. Sorry. They have what? Nah. I like these. These are cool. Well, it's the candy shop.
At first you don't succeed, then do it the way your mom told you to in the first place.
It's cool. Especially that big one. Oh, okay. Guess we're going in here. She was just so freaking distracted.
How much?
$20. It's right there. $20. So. Oh, that's pretty cool. I actually like these. These are pretty dope.
Take it off.
I like these little gun things. These are pretty cool. No, these are my favorite things right here. Let's see what. This. Hold it like this. And then. Oof. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and do that at the same time. Right next to her.
Where's the camera?
You see? Hold it. These are the boys. It doesn't work. What are you doing?
You look stupid.
You look stupid. Look at you. Go shoot you. Pull him up. Pull him up. So pull him up. You fucking dying? I'll kill you right now. I'll kill your bear too. I'll shoot him first.
That's not a bear.
Yeah, it's a raccoon now.
It's a wolf.
Fuck that wolf. Don't be racist. Stop being racist.
No film.
They're filming allowed in public. This is for my surveillance. 2018 Donald Trump, we're gonna build a wall. Just kidding, I don't want to build it. You're asking if the water's not gonna work.
I told you.
Look, it works. Now give me your water. Give me a water, please. Click it for me. Okay, stop.
This is cute.
See the watch. Right here. Okay. Camera, $6,000. Jacket, $7 grand. Pants, $20. Shoes, $7 million. There you go. And you grab one of these shades right here. You can freaking grab it. Okay, we're gonna grab this one here. And it's so I can put the lens through. You guys can actually see it. See? Oh, there you go. You can barely see it. See, there you go. That's the difference.
No,
okay, let me see.
Get your own. There's one right there.
Oh, you got the white cross first. Let's see, watch. So I can set this up pretty quick. Okay. Okay, ready? You get the white cross first. So, I know it is. Oh my gosh, it's falling apart. Oh, it's missing one. I think it's missing one. You guys see, watch. Oh shit. Here we go. And then we got one in here. Then here. And then right here. There you go. There you go. Then we have one here. Put the foot down. There you go. Get the white cross. After that, you can continue the colors. So we gotta flip this one. So let's see. Oh my no! It keeps flipping everything. I don't like this one. There you go. Just gotta get the ball through, and you gotta alter the whole tunnel thing.
I don't like this.
So we can get a watch. It's the last one. Oh no. There you go. And watch. You shape this down. And you tilt a little forward. Rock them. There you go. There you go. And... Oh no. Goodbye. So that other dollar, I had 67. And they call me Kobe. Sorry, I'm distracted from this. Huh?
What if I got you and they said, I heart my 4x4, that's funny. Like, I love you, or the boss, or something like that. Or
yeah, but have you seen these knives? What? Yeah, but have you seen these knives? Look at these. Look at this one. Okay, I'll buy that one. This is pretty nice. Hey, what are you, stop doing, you nasty.
I'm cleaning the camera.
No, I'm not cleaning.
I like
You're
that
just
one.
freaking fogging it, dude. Oh.
No, I
There's,
like
look, M-Tech.
I'm gonna ruin the whole video too.
Don't say that. They already heard you.
I don't care.
Okay, well, I care about this. That's cool.
I said
it's
that already.
Let me see. Oh, they have bucks here too. No Kershaw's. What about? No, there's not on a bench. These are just regular
Pink
ones.
one. What looks for $4?
These are sick buck knives though. They have more sets right here. Why are you pulling my pants?
The name of the knife, Super Bitch.
Where?
The pink one. You think I'm kidding?
Oh, let's see if I can zoom in.
Look, it's only $4. I want to check it out. I've never seen that.
It legit says Super Bitch. No. Heather. I'm freaking prepared now. Call me Captain America, dude. Oh, look, it's like outer space. Oh, she's really buying the knife. Let's go check this out. She's legit buying the knife. Let me see. This back. That's what I'm supposed to ask. Look at him. Ready? Holy, that's...
Is it like a picture or something? Or?
Yeah, this thing's pretty cool.
Oh.
Let me see the picture.
Oh, is it like, how do you...
That's cool, dude. Oh yeah, this is... How long did it take you guys to make this?
We just kept rolling it. We're gonna try to keep making it bigger, but I don't know if I can carry it much further.
Yeah, you should try making it bigger.
Yeah.
If you can, that'll be awesome. I'll see if you guys can come back, and I'll see if it's bigger.
Thanks for the picture, man.
Yeah, no problem, man. Take care. Did you guys see that thing was freaking huge? Holy shit. You hide in here, and then you see this man coming up in the corner right here with the big ass snowball. Oh, you're gonna see him right here.
I need gloves. Should we walk all the way down there and get the gloves?
Nah, it's fine. See, there you go. You can see the actual size. I guess they were just rolling it, and then it just got bigger and bigger and bigger. And these are the two kids that were just helping them. I'm just hoping it doesn't break. They're gonna try to make it bigger. Looks amazing. Oh look, the ice is half frozen. You can see it. so I can zoom in, I can get a clear shot. See, it's half frozen. Oh god, it's cold.
Look at the ice falling from the roof.
Where?
What? There's just falling. Look.
Oh, shoot.
That's why they
Oh,
say it'll kill people.
Yeah, I know. Oh, look, there it is. I caught it. It's just falling down from the roof. That's so dangerous.
That's why I was walking. Remember? Oh.
What? Remember
Never
what?
mind, I don't want to say it. Look, he's smoking. He's gonna kill all the snow.
It's gonna freaking freeze.
Yeah, the cigarette. 18, 20 years.
18, 20 years, huh, baby?
Yeah, they let me stay 2 extra years.
I don't take the bus no more. I'm a grown up, right, babe?
No. We take
She's a
Ubers.
big girl
I
now.
had a homeless man asked us to give him an Uber the other day.
Why'd you give him an Uber?
Because I said, fuck you.
Oh, that's what you say to the homeless people?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
No, that's the guy who's trying to tell us Alexis is dying from witchcraft.
Oh.
And he's in the military.
the crazy guy at the restaurant, yeah. I remember you telling me about that. Hey, I think we saw that guy again. I let Aaron know about it. Oof. You saw that? Oh shit, I almost slipped. Alright, we're back at the shop again. She's gonna get herself gloves because she told her earlier to get gloves. Now she wants to get them. Go get you. Oh shit. I just met these people. I guess they're all gonna subscribe, but they lost an iPhone and I saw it. They had a broken screen. I saw the screen protector. That's when I saw who they were. And I just described and said what color case and what phone it was. He said black case and they got it, of course. And I looked at the lady, yeah, of course that was her in the picture. But if you guys ever lose your phones, good thing to do, put your picture on the lock screen. Some people will be nice and they'll give it back to you. I know, this is fucking freezing. We're sliding a little bit. I can't fucking see it. You guys can't really see it, but it says 29 degrees out there. That's how fucking cold it is right now. Holy shit. Is it too bad?
Can we not get through?
No, the road is closed.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Okay, can we find out when it reopens online? Like when it does finally
You can
open?
try. It takes usually a little while for, online to catch up to us. But,
Okay.
yeah, your best bet is just to try to find a hotel room in town or something.
Okay, alrighty, thank you.
No problem at all. Sorry about that.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, yeah, we're not staying in town.
No. And the man says that we can't go through it. And I guess because it's too snowy and stuff. So we're kind of just in a position that we're going to chill for a bit. The guy recommended saying that we have to get a hotel. So my plan is, I'm not going to get a hotel. I want to try to go back.
Are we still working or were we going to want prior dessert or anything?
No, we're good. So my plan is, hopefully we can go back later today. So we're at like what? It's 9:19 right now. So we're gonna go back, try to get through. If not, we're gonna go to 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, try again. If not, we're just gonna whatever. We're gonna fly the drone right now. Here's an issue. It's raining and I can't see nothing on the screen because it won't connect, but I can fly it. So we're gonna fly it blind. So let's get right into this. Let's go.
Until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all.